The next group, number 49. The sound is voiced and fermata. Number 50. A, E, I. A, E, I. All three are voiced and fermata. Number 51. Ow, O. Ow, O. Both are voiced and fermata. Now number 52 has 4 sounds, and when we have something that has more than 3 sounds, we need to, I think it helps anyway, kinesthetically, here, it helps to pair them. So 4 sounds, we would go ow, O, oo, with a little pause here. Ow, O, oo, I'll do it one more time. Ow, O, oo, All 4 sounds are voiced and fermata. The next phonogram, number 53, says sound oi, voiced and fermata. Number 54 says oi, voiced and fermata. 55 says a, voiced and fermata. I'm sorry, voiced and fermata, a. Number 56 says a, voiced and fermata. 57 says all. I want to spend just a little window here to differentiate between sound aw and sound ah. This is aw. Aw. It's darker. Aw. It's voiced and fermata. Number 58 is also aw. If you do like this also, you go aw, and this. That's good kinesthetic to remind your whole self, your whole team, to enter into this purity of sound and make it a long, dark sound. Aw. Number 59 is sound U. U. Voiced and fermata. U. Number 60 is U. Voiced and fermata. We're still in this same group. The next phonogram, which would be number 61, is oi. Again, another way to spell sound oi, but this is the sound of number 61. Oi. Voiced and fermata. Oi. Number 62 is another way to spell sound a. A. Voiced and fermata. A. Number 63, another way to spell sound o. O. Voiced and fermata. O. O. Now number 64 has 6 names. So we've got to pair 3 pairs as we learn its sound name. This has, firstly, it has 2 quick blends. So it's uff, off. Now I'm saying off, off. So uff, when I say quick blend, I'm talking about, it's a quick blending of really 2 sounds that become one entity. Uff, 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 off, off. Okay, that's the 2 quick blends. So we have the off, off, That's the first pairing. And then we have 4 sounds that are single sounds. So we have plus, O, oo, aw, ow. Now I've run out of fingers, but if I do that kinesthetically, I'm still, just as it does the work of kinesthetic learning, adding that and vision to my full team. So here's how we do it. It's quick blends off, off, plus O, oo, aw, ow. The 4 sounds, the O, oo, aw, ow, are all voiced and fermato. The 2 quick blends are voiced and staccato. They're off, off. And again, I want to make clear that I'm saying off, off. Phonogram number 65 begins this group. Its sound name is J, J, not Ja, J. It's voiced and staccato. Next, number 66 is K, K, unvoiced and staccato. The last one in this group, number 67, is Ch, Ch, unvoiced and staccato. Ch, Ch. That takes care of that group. The next group begins with number 68. Its sound is R, the little short sound. R. It is voiced and staccato. R. Number 69 is voiced and fermata. Number 70 is G, G, voiced and staccato, not G, G, voiced and staccato. Number 71 is S, S. That's unvoiced and fermata. Number 72 is, the sound is G. Another G, not G, G. Voiced and staccato. Number 73 is unvoiced and fermata. And that's the end of that group.